Captains here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. What is Avalanche? Not the type of avalanche you're gonna find up in the mountains, but Avalanche crypto. Now, it's currently trading at $18.78 according to CoinMarketCap, and it has a rank of number 16 in terms of all the cryptos. But Avalanche, let's go ahead and talk about this. Welcome to the multiverse. The Avalanche Foundation launches as incentive programs focused on accelerating the adoption and growth of its novel subnets, the premier scaling solution for Web3 dApps. Now, when I click more into the information, I come right to here and I see this 290 million incentive program to accelerate the growth of new internet of subnets. This is very, very powerful. Now, they are trading on a couple exchanges. I see Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin. So they got some large exchanges. But when I look more into like what is Avalanche as a whole, it is a layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for a decentralized application and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals. It is aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. So they got a long way to go if they want to unseat Ethereum, but this is a very powerful foundation in terms of Avalanche. It's trading on several different platforms, and it's trading at $18.78 with a max supply of that number there. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Avalanche is important to crypto. It's definitely one of the top projects on CoinMarketCap, and ClearCryptos is the place to be for education for cryptos. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.